The global Turbonomic supply chain view, you're looking at all the entities of all the targets added to the instance of Turbonomic. So it might get a little bit overwhelming to look at. So if you want to take a look at a particular area of your environment, you can scope it down to change the supply chain view and also the charts on the right hand side. So for example, if I click on this container platform entity, it will open up the top container platform chart. If I click on show all, in this particular instance of Turbonomic, I have 8 different clusters. I'll go ahead and click on this OpenShift 1, and this will scope the view down to only the entities or resources in that particular cluster. As you can see, the supply chain view changed. Also, the charts on the right hand side changed as well. This is how you can, take a look at if you have multiple clusters in your Turbonomic instance. You can scope it down to resources only in those particular clusters. I'm going to click on the home button again. You can also do this scoping down by using the search here. By default, it is set to virtual machines, but I'll go ahead and click on container platform clusters here. You can select the cluster that you want to scope it down to. Either select it and then click scope, or you can just click on this, and this will take you to the same view that I showed earlier. Now, in this top container platform cluster chart, now you'll only see the cluster that we have selected, and you'll see the utilization data that you're looking for. Now in the supply chain, you see that there's a black color inside the entity we have selected. This is an easy way to tell where the focus is. So for example, if I click on the container pod, you'll see that the black color shows up in that inside that ring, and also the charts on the right hand side changed to this particular entity. So the total number of count, the container pod count and container, that's what you see inside this ring. So there's 314 pods in this particular cluster. You can also get that count from the top container pod chart, which shows up when you click on this container pod entity. If you click on show all, you can take a look at all the utilization data for your pods. Now for node level details, you can do the same thing by clicking on virtual machine. In Turbonomic, nodes it shows up as virtual machines. So once you click on it, as you can see, the right hand side, the data changed or the charts changed. You can look at all the utilization data from the multiple charts that are provided. You can change the window of the data that you want to look at, and for each of the nodes in this particular cluster, there will be a top virtual machine chart. If you click on it, it will show you node level breakdown of the different metrics that you want to look at. The last one was the namespace. So if I click on the namespace entity, again, the charts changed. And if I scroll down, there's a top namespace chart. If you click on show all, it will have the CPU and memory limit quotas that you have set for all your namespaces in the cluster.